This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks bigger in Jujutsu Shenanigans. To effectively enhance your defensive capabilities, you must first grasp the fundamental systems at play. We will delve into optimizing your character's inherent statistics and unlocking powerful ability upgrades. Furthermore, we'll explore the impact of equipping specific gear and artifacts designed to bolster your blocks. Finally, mastering strategic positioning and precise timing can significantly amplify your defensive presence, turning small blocks into formidable barriers. One primary method to enlarge your blocks involves careful character progression. Allocate your hard-earned skill points into attributes directly linked to defense, such as block efficiency or defensive reach. Many characters possess passive abilities that, once unlocked, automatically expand your block's effective area by up to 25%. Additionally, upgrading your active blocking skills can provide a substantial boost, often increasing their size by a factor of 1.5, making them much more forgiving and effective in combat encounters. Beyond your character's inherent growth, specialized equipment plays a crucial role in expanding your blocks. Look for armor pieces, talismans, or accessories that explicitly state block size plus X or block area plus Y%. Certain rare artifacts can provide a significant boost, sometimes increasing your block's effective radius by as much as 30%. Furthermore, assembling complete sets of specific armor can unlock powerful set bonuses, offering additional block enhancements. Remember to enhance your existing gear to maximize its defensive potential and overall effectiveness. Finally, strategic play can dramatically enhance your block's perceived size and effectiveness. Position yourself near environmental cover to naturally extend your defensive reach, effectively creating a larger barrier. Combine your blocking actions with movement abilities, such as a quick dash, to cover a wider area or intercept incoming threats more efficiently. In team-based scenarios, coordinating with allies to create overlapping defensive zones can provide a formidable, seemingly massive block. Also, activate temporary buffs or consumables that grant a short duration increase to your block's dimensions, often by 10 to 15%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.